guys, welcome back. Today we're making a very simple but healthy and delicious pea dish using the snow pea that we introduced to you last week. This is a 5 minutes recipe that takes no time and effort, but it tastes absolutely delicious. Don't miss out. Hi new friend, this is Erica right here. I'm a Taiwanese citizen currently living in America. Cooking and traveling is my passion, so I'm here to share with you my favorite Asian recipes. On top of that, all my videos cover a little food knowledge or the history background of the dish, as well as a Chinese lesson at the end to teach you how to pronounce the dish that I'm making today in Chinese. So if that interests you, please subscribe and keep watching. Today we're making a Chinese stir-fried snow peas. We have detailed breakdown all the information that you need to know about snow peas last week. I'll link it up here where you can learn all about snow peas, English peas, and sugar snap peas in our last week's video. So that allows us to go straight into cooking this week. Let's look at our ingredients. All we need today is 4 ingredients: snow peas, garlic, salt, and oil. First, we'll have to rinse the snow peas real quick and peel off the extra fiber. Depends on the type of snow peas you buy and how they were grown. Most snow peas have fiber on one side of the pot or both. The way to peel them off is to snap the ends and peel. This step can make the snow pea more tender. When you snap the ends, make sure you don't snap it all the way off, and then you can peel it downwards from top to bottom and get rid of the fiber. Next, all we need to do is slice our garlic into slices, and we're done. Let's start cooking. Heat up a pan or wok and add in some oil in medium heat. When the oil is 60% hot, add in our garlic. Stir for around 10 to 15 seconds until you can smell the garlic, and then add in the washed snow peas. Stir fry for around 2 minutes until the peas all turn from plain green into bright, shiny color. It means it's ready. Add in some salt, turn up the heat, and done! The Chinese garlic stir-fried snow pea is ready. This fast and easy 5 minutes vegan dish is super simple to make and very refreshing with the minimum seasoning. The texture is super crispy and palatable, full of nutrition, and most importantly, tasty. You can use sugar snap peas if you prefer a sweet and even crispier texture, but snow peas are my favorite type of peas to stir fry, so that's what I use. Now, I bet you're not here to watch me eat my peas, so let's get to the next step. Learn the Chinese name of the dish. The word of the day today is 蒜香荷兰豆, garlic snow peas. The first word with one character is 蒜. 蒜. The fourth tone, 蒜, which means garlic. And the second word with one character is 香. 香. The first tone, 香, which means fragrance. And the last word with 3 characters we learned last week is our snow peas, 荷兰豆. 荷兰豆. It's a second tone, and fourth tone. 荷兰豆, which means snow peas. Snow peas was actually come from Holland, so what we call it back home is the Holland peas. 荷兰 means Holland. And now let's try it together. 蒜香荷兰豆, garlic snow peas. Thank you for cooking with me today. Let me know if you like the dish by giving this video a thumbs up. It's only gonna take you a second, but it means a lot to me. I make a video like this every Thursday, so make sure to click that bell so you'll never miss out. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!